But I guess and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, such as didn't even make money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on my new, or what I thought were my new, Needoh Golden Egg Hut. So this one is a review on basically what not to buy. I really only bought them because I saw people were kind of selling them for crazy prices, and I came across these. So I mean, I didn't even really know what they were. I didn't really know what to look for, and as cheap as they were, I didn't think they were gonna make fakes of them. But apparently, I got the fakes right here, but I'm gonna show you these so that way you guys don't make the mistake I did. Luckily, I spent probably $30 or less here, but I'm gonna go through them. And one thing, so I'll start with these real quick, just so you know, I don't think they make them in this color. So if you see them in this color, 100% avoid these. They're usually in this color, but obviously I didn't think to look at the box. I just saw stack them at this bin store where I live. They had them there, and I was like, I think this must be like the ones that everyone's hyping up. I kind of just scanned it real quick, and I was like, oh yeah, like these would be a good deal, but I didn't bother to check the details. But once you start really looking, I don't know if it'll show up on here, like you start to look like it just looks like a printed crappy version of what it's supposed to look like. I don't have any real ones to base them off of, but I did see some videos on TikTok and YouTube of the real ones, but I didn't really see anyone show these fake ones in particular, so you guys know what to avoid. So let's go and actually just open them up. And I'll show you a couple, but I think they're all the same. Some reason I don't even know what they're supposed to be. Like this one. Little, I don't know what that is. Mushroom looking thing, I don't know. Like I said, I'm new to this. Probably will be the first and last time that I try to sell these, resell these. Let's see this. Like, pretty sure, well, from the ones I've seen, these are supposed to actually look like something, and maybe I'm just not seeing it. This one looks like something right here. It looks like a little duck or something. But like even on the video, like they would squish them, and I think they were bigger too. I feel, well, this is the one that everybody's looking out, but they kept pointing out this. If it has this, you didn't get the real one. And these look all smaller than what it looked like on the real ones. Look at this. I'll go through all of them just so you can see them. This one I saw like on the video, they like stuck it in, it would stick there. Boom. So like, no good. This is the last one from this one. But as you can see, like I said, I haven't even seen real ones, so I couldn't really tell you how they are in comparison. But I do know what I got are not real at all. These are like TikTok fakes or something. So the place that I got them at, they sell pallets of like returns. So I was just like, oh, cool. Like, well, obviously I'm not sure why somebody would have returned these. But as I started piecing things together, everything started to make more sense. Let's look at these. The box ain't real. See what they got inside. They're even smaller. Look at this. Beep. Oh, that one actually stood up. Oh, this one's cool. I don't get the hype behind them, honestly, but these aren't even cut right there. This one looks more like a little mushroom now. A hat? I'm not sure what this is. This golden egg is crap. All right. That one didn't stand. Boom. Like I said, just a bunch of those. I'll put these here. I said basically just paperweight here. So I spent 30 bucks. Oh well. And I got these there too, which I think when I looked these up, aren't really there. I mean, I should just assume they're not if those weren't. So let's check these out. This was the only one that didn't have like a package. But from what I've seen, even these aren't real either. But at least these, I mean, I don't know what the real ones feel like, but it's whatever. But I'm probably just gonna give these away. I get it if you guys can't find them and these will do and your kid doesn't really know or care, then fine, whatever. But thought I hit the jackpot, didn't. But this review, these, I do not recommend these. It's crazy. Just be on the lookout. Make sure, actually look at the photos here. This one actually looks a little bit better, but if you just start to look at the quality of the printed thing on here, it doesn't look good at all. This color, like I said, doesn't exist. These, the second I sent these to somebody, they're like, oh, those are 100% not it. I was like, and it was just through a picture. So if you guys just be on the lookout for these Needoh, these fake Needohs, okay? So hope you guys found this video useful. Always hit that like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. Hope you guys have a good one.